Hi there everybody, and today we'll be doing a short video on how you can give your images that final pop after you've done all the post-processing. I'll be teaching you how to do a drop shadow on your images, and they'll be like these up here. We'll be using Photoshop to do this tutorial. It's a quick process, so don't scare away from Photoshop, and we'll be going through it step by step. So follow my method and you'll get the hang of it for sure. So get ready guys to give your images that final pop. Well, here we are in Photoshop everybody, and I'm going to show you how to make a frame, a white frame around your image. And inside this frame, we're going to do a drop shadow that will give you that 3D effect on your image. So the first thing we need to do is make a copy of the background here. We drag the background on the plus sign here, and we have a background copy. Next, we head over to Image on the top here. Click on Canvas Size, and here change them to centimeters or millimeters, to which one you prefer. And I'm going to do a frame of around 8 centimeters for the width, and for the height 8 centimeters also. Click OK, and there we have our frame. Now we're going to create a drop shadow for the picture here. Head down to the bottom right and click FX and click on Drop Shadow. Now it's going to open another window, and here you can leave the settings how they are, or else you can adjust your drop shadow accordingly to your likings. I prefer the drop shadow here, the shadow here on this side, on the right and the bottom corner. So here we need to adjust the angle, and I just turn the angle round to around 133. And there we have our drop shadow on the right side. You can do it where you want here. Here you have the opacity. It's the thickness of the shadow, the dark or the light, and I leave it around 75. And here we have the distance, it's from here to here, leave it around here, and the spread 35. As you can see the adjustments here, I leave it around 35. And the size, I leave it all the way up to 250. Because it has a fading effect, a gradient. And then just click OK, and you can see you have a 3D effect on your image. Just go over to the right side on these lines here and click Flatten Image. And there you have your frame guys, and your drop shadow. You can make the frame any size you want, and the drop shadow any size you want also. Well, thank you guys for this quick video, and I hope you learnt how to do a drop shadow for your images. Please hit the subscribe button, a thumbs up, and give me a like and any comment please. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.